You're doing push-ups, but your chest still looks the same. And before you blame your genetics, no, bro, the problem isn't your DNA. It's the tiny mistakes hidden in your form that are stealing 90% of your gains. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to turn your push-ups into a real chest-building exercise, with simple fixes you can apply today. No equipment, no crazy workouts. Just smarter technique and a plan you can follow instantly. Most people place their hands too wide or too narrow. Proper chest activation starts when your hands are directly under your elbows at the bottom of the rep. Not flared, not tucked in, stacked. When you lower, push your chest forward like you're trying to touch the floor with your sternum. If your hips sag or your head drops, the tension shifts to your shoulders and triceps, not your chest. Before your first rep, imagine you're twisting your palms outward into the ground. Don't actually move them. This activates the chest instantly. If your reps look like fast TikTok push-ups, no chest is getting built. Lower for 3 full seconds, pause for 1 second at the bottom, then explode up. This magnifies muscle tension. Your rep will feel twice as powerful. Let's expose the sneaky mistakes killing your results. 1. Your elbows flare out like a chicken, instant shoulder strain, zero chest. 2. Half reps, chest never touches the bottom of the movement. 3. No tension. You rush every rep like you're late for work. Here's your simple push-up upgrade plan. Day 1. Learn perfect form. Slow reps, 3-second negative. Day 2. 4 sets of 12 quality reps. Day 3. Drop set day, normal push-ups, knee push-ups. Follow this for 1 week and your push-ups will feel completely different. Day 4. Elevate feet for 3 sets of 8. Day 5. Pause reps, 1 second at the bottom. Day 6. Max out test. Aim for clean reps only. Day 7. Rest, stretch shoulders plus chest mobility. If you want bigger chest, cleaner form, and real progress from home workouts, stick around. Drop a comment saying, push-up fix, and I'll create the next video on how to build your lower chest with zero equipment.